made it to something actually beautiful. This is along Route 88, like right across the border in California. So, yeah. I love this. I love this so much.
We are in California, and earlier we stopped at like a beautiful little part of like a national forest. It was really pretty. It had like a river going through it and everything. Not even 10 minutes later, we drive into this.
I'm having a good time.
It's really cool. I mean, we're both used to snow, so it's not bad. But I don't think the lady in front of us is very confident with her driving. But whatever. We just stopped to get gas again. We got out of all the snow. We're at about, elevation is our like 4,000 right now, so still got a ways to go down the mountain.
Want to grab me my wallet? Oh, there it is. Sorry.
So it's been really pretty. It's a lot better than driving on an interstate. Takes a bit longer, but I think it's worth it. It's really pretty out here. There's just pine trees like everywhere you look. And like even down there, there's just cool pine trees and stuff. So I'm ready to go to the beach though.
This is Tamarack Falls, or a waterfall that comes off of Tamarack. Okay, so we made it to Yosemite. Looking really cool. There's a lot of good stuff. You know, I got a bunch of clips for you guys to watch. So far, I'm loving it. I think Darby's loving it too. And yeah, Yosemite was a good idea. Yosemite is looking good, guys. It's looking good. I gotta show them this. This is really funny though.
The falls?
Yeah. Don't trip.
We're stopping for gas again. We are almost to our hotel. It's about an hour away. We rented it for the In-N-Out that's about 9 minutes away from our hotel, which is pretty cool. It'll be our first time trying In-N-Out He's just filling up right now, but I think we're both pretty tired. He seems fine, but I know he's pretty tired too. We really haven't eaten much today, so I think we're ready to just eat and then get to the hotel and sleep. But I guess we'll see.
Good news, we made it to an In-N-Out. Now we're gonna eat a lot of food. Just had In-N-Out and it was really good. It's really good. Not a fan of the fries, but the burgers, spot on.